trade setups for today. There are a couple of things that I'm watching at the moment. The first one is this double top. Okay, very clear on the Dow, not so clear on the S&P, although it is there on the S&P as well. Now, the first things first, we are in an uptrend. You can see we are not making lower lows, we are making higher lows. That is an uptrend. You can't argue with that at the moment. We are sort of in a consolidation phase, so I've drawn these two levels in. So bottom of the double top is 26439 and top is 27188. Now, statistically, double tops play out 40% of the time, roughly. So the higher probability is that it's going to form a range, especially when it's an uptrend, form a range for a move to the upside. So if we start drilling down to the lower time frames, you can see lots of indecision yesterday. Okay, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. We are at some form of structure here, which is another little double top, which is this one here. And we're bouncing, broke above it, coming back down below it. So I'd like to see us get above this area. So this 26,633, 26633. That's the area I want to see us get above. If we get above it, come back, find some support there, then that's the opportunity to attack the top of this range, which would be 27,188. Okay, we do have some pretty big earnings coming out this week, and a couple next week as well. So so I think earnings seasons and the Fed is what's going to drive this. And then we'll go back to geopolitical and health factors that are going to drive the market. So for me at the moment, looking for longs, looking for opportunities to buy. And that's pretty much the moral of my story today. Would I be looking for shorts? Definitely not. Even if we do drop below this level, I'll be looking for the next area that I need to watch for an opportunity to buy into this. So at the moment, Asian session was a little bit up, and then we've had a bit of a pullback. But this level here is the key right now. 26633. Get above it, test it. That's going to give us the opportunity to get long, and your stop will basically be below this low point that we've made at the moment. Or if you want to be a little bit more with a wider stop, it's going to be below the structure here. But this is a rounding bottom. Okay, and it's been a breakout of the structure. So rounding bottom channel, the rounding bottom range going into a channel. Okay, and your channel is pretty much forming right, it can form there, or it can form there, which I think is probably more than likely the correct one. I've got two reference points here. Okay, anyway, that's my view at the moment. Looking to buy. Does look like a decent opportunity right here, but it is the Asian session, so I'll wait for Europe before I start putting any trades in. And that's me for today. Looking for opportunity to buy, and this is the level I want to see us crack and retest. 26633. Get through it, retest. It's an opportunity to buy. If you are long at the moment and you got in long at the bottom, I know a couple of you did. And if you're still holding that, at the moment, I'd have my stop to entry, wait for this breakout, wait for the retest here, and when as soon as you start seeing bullish price action here, you can add to your position and move your stop up below here. You should lock some profits in, put something at risk, but then for the next leg up, you're going to have double the amount on there what you had previously. Okay, anyway, hope that helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.